Hello everyone, in this video I'll be covering problems on complex numbers in this shift of September 11, 2020, shift 1. So only two problems were there, and let's try to solve these two problems. So the first question is A, B and C are 3 points are lying on the arcant plane which satisfy this mod zk minus 2 iota is equals to 2 for 3 points Z1, Z2 and Z3. We know that this is the equation of a circle, right? When you draw a circle on a complex number, this is the equation for that. This is x-axis, y or imaginary axis. This is real axis. 0, 2 is the center, right? Since it is 2 iota, so real part of the center is 0 and imaginary is 2. Or I can write it as this as well, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 square is equals to 2 square. So radius is 2 and center is 0, 2. So this is the equation of this circle. And point 1 is given to me as 2 plus 2 iota. Radius is 2. So this distance is also 2. So this is z1, 2, 2. And we are given z2 and z3 which are equidistant from this center which are lying on the circle, such that if this is point A, there are 2 points B and C, such that area of the triangle ABC is maximum. We know that area of a triangle inside a circle is maximum if it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral. So ABC is an equilateral triangle, right? Point 22 is given. We want to know the sum of the imaginary parts of Z2 and Z3. So if B is Z2 and C is Z3, let us say this is A comma B and this is what A comma C. Why am I saying A comma B, A comma C? Why am I saying the X or the real part of these 2 points is equal? Why am I saying that? Because we know that in an equilateral triangle, if we drop a perpendicular, so this is the perpendicular, it bisects this, okay? So the perpendicular over here is what? This line joining 2, 2 and 0, 2. So this is parallel to x-axis or the real axis. And this is perpendicular to BC. So if this is perpendicular to BC, then BC is parallel to y-axis, right? Very easy. Say if I have a point like this is my perpendicular passing through Z1 and this is this 90 degree. So if this line makes 90 degree with this and this line is parallel to x-axis, so it is given that this is parallel to y-axis, and since this is parallel to y-axis, it is given that the x coordinate are the same, only the y coordinate are different. So x is same a comma a, y are different b comma c. I have to find out the value of b plus c. B plus c's question mark is what needs to be found out. Now the center of the circle is 0 comma 2. So I can say that OB is equals to OC. If I say center is O, then OB is equals to OC. So A minus 0 whole square plus B minus 2 whole square root is equals to A minus 0 whole square plus C minus 2 whole square, right? This is a very conceptual question. There is not much of calculations to be done. It's a very, I would say, good question. When I open the squares, I will get what? A square plus B minus 2 whole square is A square plus C minus 2 whole square. This is cancelled. So B minus 2 whole square is equals to C minus 2 whole square. If I remove the squares, either this or this, in this case B is equals to C, and in this case b minus 2 is equals to minus c plus 2, or b plus c is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Now b is equals to c, is this possible? No. If b is equals to c, then b and c are the same points, and we do not have a triangle. We do not have a triangle, so we have to ignore this. So b plus c is equals to 4, and this is what was asked from us, right? B plus c is what? So 4. So it's a very nicely made question. You have to think hard on it. There is not many things to be done in this, and especially no calculation at all. So very good question in my opinion. Next question. So this is a very standard problem. You don't have to think much on this either. This I can use Euler's formula, e to the power iota theta is equals to cos theta plus iota sine theta. So an is written as e to the power iota pi by 2 raised to the power n. So a1 times a2 times a3 times a4 will be what? Summation of their powers, e to the power iota pi by 2 plus pi by 2 square is 4, pi by 2 cube is 8, pi by 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. Right? The powers get added. Now it's whole raised to the power 4, so 4 is also multiplied here. LCM is 16, take 4 and pi outside. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14, and 1 is 15. 15 pi, and cancel this. 15 by 4 pi. So write it as this: cos 15 by 4 pi plus iota sine 15 by 4 pi. I can write it as cos of 2 times 2 pi plus minus pi by 4 plus iota sine 2 into 2 pi plus minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Why am I doing this? Because we know that the period of cos and sine is 2 pi. So if 2 into 2 pi, which is the period of this, the expression remains the same, minus pi by 4 plus iota sine minus pi by 4. Now we know that cos is an even function, so cos of minus x equals to cos x. We know that sine is an odd function, so sine of minus x is equals to minus sine x, right? Now cos pi by 4 we know is 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 we know is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is the LCM, so 1 minus iota by root 2 is the solution. This one. So we are done here. I will try to cover maybe limits and differential calculus in the next video. Thank you everyone.